Have you ever wondered which Forex broker can actually make or break your trading success in 2025? With so many options promising tight spreads, fast execution, and powerful tools, easy to get overwhelmed. But don't worry, in this video, we've done the deep research for you. Whether you're a beginner testing the waters or a seasoned trader scaling up, we'll walk you through the top 5 Forex brokers of 2025 that offer the best trading experience, safety, and value for your money. Let's dive in. First on our list is a broker that consistently ranks among the best, Pepperstone. What makes Pepperstone shine is its unbeatable low-cost trading environment in a wide range of platforms. With access to MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and even TradingView, you're spoiled for choice. These platforms are fully loaded with smart trading tools, clean charts, and customizable features. What's really appealing is Pepperstone's ultra-tight spreads starting from zero pips on Razor accounts, thanks to their partnerships with top-tier liquidity providers. For traders who prefer zero commissions, the standard account offers excellent spreads without any commission fees. However, some beginners might feel a bit lost with all the platform choices and advanced tools, especially if they're new to trading. Pepperstone is regulated by some of the world's most trusted authorities, including the FCA in the UK, ASIC in Australia, DFSA in the UAE, and more. That means your funds are protected in segregated accounts, and your trading environment is safe and transparent. Customer support is available 24/5, and they're known for their award-winning webinars and live trading events. Perfect if you're looking to upskill regularly. One slight downside, crypto options here are limited compared to other brokers. Also, Razor account commissions can add up for traders with smaller balances. Still, with fast execution, powerful tools, and strict regulation, Pepperstone remains one of the top choices in the Forex world. Next, we have FBS, known for its aggressive leverage options and client-first approach. FBS offers leverage up to a staggering 3,000:1 on selected accounts, though that's available only outside the EU. European traders will be limited to 30:1 due to ESMA restrictions and 500:1 for professionals. What makes FBS appealing is the flexibility. Whether you want to trade on MT4, MT5, or through their all-in-one mobile FBS app, everything is designed to keep you connected on the go. You can start with a demo account, move to a standard account, or even choose a swap-free option if required. Spreads start as low as 0.7 pips, and some accounts even offer zero commissions. However, the fee structure can be a bit tricky to follow at first. Still, once you get the hang of it, FBS offers solid trading conditions across Forex, metals, indices, energy, and stocks. They're regulated by the FSC in Belize and xauusd in Cyprus. And although the regulation level varies depending on your region, client funds are still held in segregated accounts for safety. Withdrawals? Pretty fast. Many requests are processed within 15 to 20 minutes. Support is top-notch, available 24/7, and you also get access to educational videos, webinars, and daily market analytics. For those who like fast-paced, high-leverage trading with mobile freedom, FBS checks a lot of boxes. Just keep in mind, high leverage is a double-edged sword. It can amplify profits, but it can also quickly magnify losses. Trade wisely. If you're someone who values learning and support, XM might be your best bet. XM is one of the most client-focused brokers, offering over 1,300 instruments and flexible leverage up to 1,000:1, depending on your region. For most clients under EU jurisdiction, the leverage is limited to 30:1, but international traders get more flexibility. The standout feature here is XM's education ecosystem. From multilingual webinars to daily market analysis, live classrooms, and trading tutorials, they've built a full learning academy around your trading journey. Platforms include MT4, MT5, and their proprietary XM app, ideal for both beginners and pros. The copy trading and VPS options add more versatility if you want to follow experienced traders or automate your strategies. Promotions are another area where XM shines. International clients can get no deposit bonuses loyalty points, and deposit match. However, traders in ESM-regulated regions may not have access to all offers. Execution is lightning fast, and they follow a strict no requotes, no rejection policy, which builds serious trust. Wankon? Commission fees do apply on the XM0 account, and while promotions are attractive, they're not available globally. Still, with strong regulation under xauusd, ASIC, DFSA, and IFSC, and an award-winning support team in over 30 languages, XM is a fantastic choice for traders focused on growth and support. Looking for a broker that blends simplicity with diversity? Say hello to Monetta Markets. With over 1,000 CFDs across Forex, indices, commodities, shares, ETFs, and even crypto, Monetta gives you room to diversify and explore. You can trade on MT4, MT5, or their in-house platforms like ProTrader and AppTrader. What sets them apart is the variety of account types. Whether you're after commission-free trading or want tighter spreads with a Prime ECN account, there's something tailored for everyone. Leverage goes up to 1,000:1 for international clients, and Monetta is regulated by the FSCA and SVGFSA. While SVGFSA has lighter regulations, Monetta maintains fund security through segregated accounts and reputable banking partners. The Copy Trader app is another bonus. If you're not ready to trade solo, you can follow top traders and copy their strategies in real time. Deposits are low and withdrawals are smooth, most processed in 1 to 3 days. But some competitors offer quicker withdrawals, so speed may vary. Therefore, 8-star rating on Google tells you a lot. Clients love the simplicity and broad market access. Just keep in mind, fees vary based on your account type, and regulation may not be as tight as EU or UK brokers. Last but definitely not least, FXPro, a broker built for speed and performance. With a 99.9% order fill rate and execution speeds under 13 milliseconds, FXPro is built for serious traders. The no-dealing desk model means trades go straight to market, no interference, no delays. You can access over 2,100 instruments, including Forex, futures, metals, energies, and shares. Their platform selection is top-notch. MT4, MT5, CTrader, and the FXPro trading platform all support algorithmic and high-frequency trading. The pricing model is transparent. Either choose floating spreads with zero commission or go for reduced spreads with a $35 commission per million traded. While this gives you flexibility, the fee structures can be a bit confusing for beginners. Security is a big plus. FXPro is regulated by FCA, xauusd, FSCA, and SCB. Funds are kept in segregated accounts, and they use encryption to keep your data safe. Educational content is rich, and their knowledge hub includes webinars, market guides, and video tutorials. Customer support is responsive, and withdrawals are usually processed within a working day. On the flip side, crypto offerings are a bit limited, and the minimum deposit requirement is higher than some competitors. Still, if execution speed and professional grade tools are a priority, FXPro delivers. So, which Forex broker is right for you? If you're after low-cost trading and top-tier platforms, Pepperstone is hard to beat. For high leverage flexibility and global reach, FBS could be your match. Prefer strong education and loyalty perks? XM might be the way to go. If you're focused on variety and simple trading, Monetta Markets checks all the boxes. And for lightning-fast execution and advanced tools, FXPro leads the pack. No broker is perfect, but each of these has its strengths depending on your goals, experience, and where you live. Remember to start with a demo account, understand the fee structures, and only invest what you can afford to risk. And if you're new to Forex, focus on regulation, platform usability, and education before chasing leverage or fancy tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more expert trading content. Want to learn more about Forex strategies or how to avoid common beginner mistakes? Then check out our next video right here on the screen. Thanks for watching and happy trading.